Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO. Today I'm back again with a gardening video. Today I'm back on how do you grow your cherry tomatoes successfully. So today I'm back again with how you can grow your cherry tomatoes in the comfort of your own home and also grow them successfully. So most of you have been wondering, how do you do that? I grow my own cherry tomatoes from seed, from already existing plants, and I am very happy with them. However, these cherry tomatoes are very costly in supermarkets, so it's very good that I can actually grow my own and actually get to enjoy them. So what you do when you get your cherry tomato in this, when it's very young, like a seedling, what you do is you just have to put it in a bigger pot, at least 3 sizes bigger than the small existing, the small plant that you buy, or the seeds that you get. So make sure you put it in a very big container, and this very big container will give the tomato lots of space to enlarge and grow and become bigger. The other thing is you should also be careful as well. You just have to remove the leaves on the bottom so that the tomato does not focus its energy on old leaves that are not going to actually give you tomatoes. So you just have to get off the old leaves just down so that the tomato focuses on the upper bottom of the plant, and then that will actually help you getting more fruit on your cherry tomato plant. The other thing this plant needs is full sun. It doesn't need a shady area. If you put it in a full sun place, it will really thrive. And also it needs to be moist. Keep it moist, keep it watered, at least twice a day or once a day, depending on how warm your environment is. And then you should also give it at least some fertilizer once at least in 30 days, so that it actually gives you the nice blooms. However, you should be careful with fertilizer, because most of my things are actually organically grown. I tend not to use fertilizer, so maybe try to use the natural fertilizers that maybe you can get from other gardens, or make your own, and avoid using the synthetic ones, because they're not really that healthy, and I really want my food and everything I eat to be pure and natural. So having healthy food will make me happy. So today we also thinking of how do we get this tomato to grow bigger, and how do we get it to thrive. So thriving is all about care. It's all about how you stake it, and these tomatoes are not so strong, and if you're living in a windy area, make sure that you stake them with at least some sticks so that it keeps on holding. So this one is bottom heavy, so it's like bending, because all the tomatoes on it are very heavy. And what I'm going to do now is try to cut it off, because I want the plant to be able to support itself and not break off. So that's why it's becoming a little bit difficult. Yes. So now, once these tomatoes have some young tomatoes, what you can do is you can cut just one by one. If you're harvesting them, just one by one, and then you leave this on the plant, and maybe successfully it will keep on growing. Most of the time they don't, so that's why I'm cutting all of it off with the branch, because sometimes I like the vein. So if you're cooking, you just take the whole vein, put it on your grill, and then it's like so lovely. And most of you know this. I love grilling, and I love roasting cherry tomatoes, or actually using them in a few recipes that I'm also busy with most of the time. If you have missed on some videos on how to grow and boost the growth of your tomatoes, please click this link above here, and it will take you to that link. And if you also want to watch some videos on how can leave your tomatoes and all other things I grow in my garden for healthy recipes, click on this link also up here, and it will take you to those videos for you to get an insight on how to live a healthy wellness lifestyle with your garden in harmony at your home. I hope you got some tips and tricks on how to grow your cherry tomatoes and how to actually enjoy them in your recipes, and how to make sure that they turn out okay. And that was it for today. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the support. If you're new here, consider subscribing, and don't forget to check out our online store to purchase something in order to support this channel. And that is it. See you soon, and see you next week. And I remain ACIERO.